Whoa, what up? What's up? You already know the drill. Look, first things first, man. Y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. Now, you see the box, 350 Boost. Y'all already know what it is. It's the Yeezy Boost 350 Volume 2 in the butter colorway. Now, a lot of people going crazy about this shoe. I've never been a fan of Yeezy or his shoes or his clothes or nothing about him. So, it is what it is. But we're going to keep that content coming, man. So opening the box, more than sure y'all already familiar with the shoe. But here it is, the Yeezy Boost 350 in the butter colorway. I think the shoe is kind of clean, you know. Looking at it, it'll grow on me. But I can't really see myself wearing this shoe, man. This shoe is ugly to me. You know, but it is what it is, man. I don't knock nobody, you know what I'm saying? It's, you know, but like I say, I'm feeling this little color, man. You know, I thought it was just some trash at first, man, but looking at it, it's okay. You know, I'm just not a fan of this model of the shoe, man. I think this is not my style, man. So looking at the bottom, you see you got the Boost technology all around. You can see the butter colorway mixed all in. I mean, it's straight shoe, man. You know, I like the way it looks on smaller feet, too. But there's a look at the medial side. Pretty plain, straightforward. Nothing big. There's a look at the front. Look at the top. See, you got the butter strings in it. On the inside, you got the Adidas Yeezy. There's a look at the back. You got the little peanut butter or beige, whatever you call it. I mean, it is what it is, man. It's a Yeezy 350. I mean, ain't too much more I can say. Looking at the other shoe, everything is identical. Pretty straightforward. On the inside, like I said, you got the Adidas Yeezy. You know, there's your tags and everything for those that like to check on shit or whatever. There's your 3 stripes in the back on the heel. Another look at the top. I mean, that's pretty much it, man. You know, ain't really too much that I can say about the shoe, man. So, you know, that was my look at the Adidas Yeezy Boost 350 Volume 2 in the butter colorway. Y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Turn your notifications on so you can know when I drop another video. You know what I'm saying? Follow us on Instagram at PetlersAv504. Go check the website. I'm going to leave a link in the description. And I'm going to holler back.